welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do a very quick, easy and a very creative DIY. So basically I got this idea from Pinterest. I was just surfing the site for DIYs and I came across this cool hairbands thing from t-shirt. I was like, let's check out how it is, and I have a raw idea from there that how to do it. So I decided to finally give a shot to it, as this is my first DIY. So I was quite happy from the product which I got after recycling the t-shirt, and let's quickly see how it goes. This is my very old t-shirt, and to maximize its use I'm cutting it in two halves. I will use one half for my DIY and put other for another use. Now I cut it in vertical stripes and take out 4 of them. Just stretch it a bit to have a little more length. Now take 2 of it and tie a knot at one end. Make sure your knot is tight enough. Now we quickly do same thing for another end. The base of our hairband is ready. Now we quickly cut this extra cloth to have a pleasant look. Now it's time to decorate it a bit. Now quickly take the other two and the front side of your hairband and braid it just like as you do with your ponytail. For the extras, tie the knot on the knot side only so that your braid will be fixed in its position. Our front part of hairband is ready. Now just quickly cut these extras. Now to decorate it, I have taken 2 stars from the extra cloth material of my dress from the first video. You need Fevicol to stick it. I just pour 2 to 3 drops on one flower and paste it on the end of the braid. Put some pressure on it so that it will stay in its place. Quickly do that with another one too. The final hairband is ready. As you can see, I have styled my hairband and I'm thinking it's pretty cool. Yeah, this flower and this. You can style it in other ways too, but I like to style in this way. So I really hope you like my video, and make sure to comment that you like this video or not, and subscribe my channel to support me, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.